right now, a judge is hearing arguments in the legal fight over the release of the Covenant shooter's writings.
Just in the last hour, we found out from attorneys for Metro Police, their investigation may not be wrapped up until July, and they're saying they're still looking into co-conspirators in connection with the shooting.
Yeah, investigative reporter Stacey Cameron, you have been in the courtroom all day long, Stacey. What is the main argument here?
Well, really the main argument and the focus of this case is on the shooter's journals and whether or not Metro government can be forced to turn over writings that police found in the shooter's car and home after that deadly school shooting. Now, that question could turn on whether Metro Police still have a legitimate, open police investigation into the shooting, or whether under the state's public records law, the judge here can sidestep Metro Police and order that the writings get released now. Now, Metro saying that they need 3 more months to conclude that investigation into the Covenant shooting led the judge to ask Metro's lawyers if a redacted version, which is already prepared, a redacted version of the shooter's journal could be released right now and not threaten the integrity of their investigative work.
Can those documents come out?
If you're referring to the writings that were in the car, yes, Metro believes that those materials that were redacted and given to Your Honor could be released pursuant to Chief Hager's affidavit, and that, in fact, some of those redactions could be removed because now the folks have been interviewed. But I would defer to the police on who they've interviewed and the status of all that.
Now, Metro's lawyer went on to say if that redacted version was released, there are still other writings made by the shooter, volumes of writings that are equally evil, with equally evil written things in them. So Metro Police is still going over those writings to see if they can identify any co-conspirators or accomplices. So Metro's lawyers told investigators, the judge, that investigators don't want those documents released because that could hamper their investigation. They also don't want any documents relating to the scene of the shooting released at this time. But in July, they say most of those documents could be released with some redactions. Now, the court just went into recess about 25 minutes ago. We will return here at 10 o'clock in the morning, where we will hear the last of our arguments, that from a lawyer representing the Covenant parents. And right after the arguments, we do not expect to hear a decision from the judge, but we should get her written opinion sometime in the next few weeks. Reporting downtown at Chancery Court, I'm investigative reporter Stacey Cameron.
Okay.